First you gotta learn how to follow, then you can tweet, then you can retweet. Yeah. Hey. They call me Lil Star, money circle bar, like a man in your car. When I'm in the club, I got a bar. Me and my team not a secret, even us know who we are. Without this, we leave a star. Without us, we catch a star. Selling forward, selling hard. Throwing rock, don't even charge. Johnny just know I'm a star. Yeah, okay. I try to bang your cherry like out with fame good in the low in your mind snap like the last bullet in my clip. Yeah, chillin' to a soul top, my flow stay hot. Ready or not, here I come, I'm the cream of the crop. Making them drop, start now, be the hip hop cop. I'm either making them drop or making them drop. Keep my throw in the knot, spit low on the spot. Corner of my block, I turn, stall grind. Local, he don't mind. North Carolina, front of the line. Queen City, starting my rhyme. Tennessee, booming you down. United States of America, showtime. Now watch my flow rewind. Blind, blame my line, front and stand. Standing front line, my bling blind. First my climb, throw back over the wine. I ain't lying, your girl line. Throw it back, keep trying. If I ain't riding, I'm flying. Yeah. Okay. Growing up, it was a lot of hard times, but not no more. Cause learn that time, right like this, y'all make it on time. Jack of all trades, man, one of a kind. Heat up the mic, cause I know it's mine. Yeah. I said, growing up, it was a lot of hard times, but not no more. Cause learn that time, right like this, y'all make it on time. Jack of all trades, man, one of a kind. Heat up the mic, cause I know it's mine. Yeah. I'm on that rimmy. The next. Round the next,